View the model. Choose the camera and rotate the model with orbit or navigate it in person. Set camera projection as orthographic or perspective. Show, hide, or delete annotations associated with the template. Create sections according to customizable plans. Show box and box selection area. Take measurements on BIM models. Show or hide polygons, lines, bounding boxes. Turn on shadows, set date and time, set orientation and location. Rotate the model according to the X, Y, Z axes. Set 2D or 3D view. View the model in full screen mode. Use the Help section to know the basic commands for navigation.